Hello, in front of me I've got CUBOT MAX 3. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google and go to More. Now go to Settings and enter Google Assistant. Enter Voice Match and enable Hey Google function. Tap Next, agree and continue. Let's try it out. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen and make sure that this function is also enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like today?
It's 67 and mostly cloudy. Today, there will be scattered thunderstorms with a high of 80 and a low of 63.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.